Are you looking for the best RV ceiling fans? RV living and outdoor camping demand practical cooling solutions that are quiet, energy efficient, and easy to install in tight spaces. Portable ceiling fans designed for tents, RV awnings, and canopy setups provide a controllable breeze without the bulk of full-size HVAC, and many models rely on USB power, detachable blades, or onboard batteries for versatility. This review focuses on 5 compact, battery or USB-powered ceiling fans that sit in the same budget band and are marketed for camping, RVs, or tent setups. Our testing approach combines real-world use case simulations, small space airflow, noise levels, and power draw.
Product number 1. 18-inch portable ceiling fan with light for patio, canopy, tent, RV. Overview. This budget-focused model combines a built-in 12,000 mAh battery with a lighting option, delivering up to 30 hours of use time and 4 speed settings controlled by a remote. It also features an 8-hour timer for auto shutoff, which is particularly convenient for overnight use in an RV or tent canopy. The design emphasizes portability and self-contained operation, making it a strong value pick for off-grid or dry camping scenarios where access to power is limited. Prospective buyers will appreciate a compact footprint and the remote-enabled control, while benefiting from a combined fan and light package in a single unit. Performance-wise, the high-capacity battery supports prolonged use at moderate speeds, but expect diminished airflow at the lowest speeds and a noticeable trade-off in runtime when the light is on. The unit's remote and timer simplify overnight setup, yet the lack of explicit airflow metrics, CFM, means you'll rely on subjective feel for airflow effectiveness in a small RV alcove or canopy. Users should ensure the battery weight and balance don't interfere with installation in tighter spaces and consider potential noise at higher speeds given compact blade geometry. The 4-speed option is adequate for casual comfort, while the included light adds value for those needing ambient illumination without separate fixtures.
Product number 2. Portable camping fan. Overview. This 10.6-inch fan focuses on a balanced blend of portability, mid-range airflow, and practical features like a hook for mounting and a detachable blade for cleaning or replacement. The built-in light adds versatility for campsites or RV interiors, and the timeable and auto shutoff feature mirrors the expectations of campers who want automation without constant monitoring. The compact size and hook mount capability make it well-suited for canopy ceilings, tents, or bedside setups while still offering rechargeable operation via its 8,000 mAh battery. In use, this model offers flexible mounting options and straightforward operation, with the detachable blade design simplifying maintenance. The battery provides a reasonable runtime at mid-speed, however, you'll likely experience reduced endurance at higher speeds or when the light is running. The inclusion of a light is a practical bonus for late-night reading or ambient illumination, but users should verify compatibility with their mounting hardware and ensure the hook mounting is secure on canvas or lightweight RV ceilings. Overall, this model is a versatile mid-pack choice for campers who want a compact, all-in-one solution with easy setup.
Product number 3. Silent USB-powered ceiling fan with remote control, timing 4-speed. Overview. This model targets quiet operation with a USB-powered DC plug-in approach and a compact form factor. Featuring 4 speeds and a remote, it is designed as a ceiling hanging option for tents, RVs, and rooms. The emphasis on silent performance makes it appealing for light sleepers or small spaces where noise is a concern, while USB power can offer stable operation if you have access to a USB port or power bank. The compact footprint and hanging design can maximize airflow distribution in tight spaces, but the lack of battery autonomy means you're tied to an external power source unless a portable battery pack is used. This model suits campers prioritizing quiet operation and consistent low-profile airflow.
Product number 4. Portable ceiling fan for tent with remote control. Overview. This unit emphasizes portability with an 8,000 mAh battery and removable blades, plus a remote and 4-speed settings.
The auto shutoff feature adds convenience for camping or outdoor canopy use where unattended operation is common. The 3-blade configuration aims to balance airflow efficiency with light weight, making it a practical option for tent cedar beams, porch canopies, or gazebo setups. In practice, the 8,000 mAh battery provides usable runtime on mid to low speeds, while higher speed operation will drain the battery faster. Detachable blades simplify cleaning and replacement, which is a practical maintenance benefit in dusty camping environments. The auto shutoff helps save battery and avoids overuse in unattended setups. Some users may desire a higher blade count for improved air distribution in certain layouts, but the 3-blade design keeps the device light and easier to mount in tight spaces.
Product number 5. 17.7-inch portable ceiling fan with remote-controlled timing 3-speed. Overview. The largest footprint among the 5, this 17.7-inch fan uses a 6-blade configuration and USB power, offering a higher potential airflow for bigger canopy spaces while remaining portable for RV setups. The 3-speed dial and remote timing provide convenience and greater control for extended camping sessions. The all-black aesthetic and 6 blades imply a design tuned for smoother air distribution and a balance between noise and airflow for outdoor environments. In use, the 6-blade arrangement can deliver a more pronounced breeze than compact 3-blade models, especially at mid-range speeds. USB power keeps operation flexible for RV outlets or external battery packs, but the reliance on a USB source means you'll need a steady power feed in longer camping stays. Maintenance-wise, the longer blades may require more careful cleaning to avoid bending, and mountain needs should account for the larger diameter to ensure proper clearance in tents or ceiling spaces. This model is well suited for mid-sized tents and canopy areas where airflow is a priority without sacrificing portability.